Cdl Pretrip, page 9. Railroad crossing. As I approach the railroad crossing, I am checking traffic in all directions. I am turning on the signal light and moving to the furthest right lane possible. I am activating my four-way flashers as I make a complete stop within 15 to 50 feet of the railroad tracks. I am turning off all devices and directionals. I am rolling down my windows while looking and listening for the presence of any trains. I am going to continue to do this as I make it safely across the railroad tracks. When it is safe to continue to cross the railroad tracks, I am picking a proper gear, listening for trains and checking for traffic and outages on the other side. I am continuing to listen for trains and checking for traffic as I cross the tracks without shifting gears or changing lanes. When the tractor and trailer has crossed the railroad tracks, I am checking the vehicle traffic starting to shift up. And when I am about 15 to 20 feet off the last track and within 15 miles per hour of the speed limit or flow of traffic, I will turn off my hazard lights.